Hi guys, welcome to Question Bank. Today I am going to show you 9th class biology subject English medium chapter 1 cell structure and features. That chapter question answers today I am going to show you. Please guys watch till end video. Definitely you will get you this chapter all questions answers. Guys, you can see our chapter 1 cells structure and functions. First we'll see, you can see here guys, today I am going to show you this lab activity also. And first we'll see in textbook how many questions we have. Guys, you can see in important you are learning we have total 17 questions, and after that we have here some keywords. Today I'm going to show you this all questions answers. Please guys watch till end video. Definitely you will get this chapter all questions answers. Okay guys, let's start the video. As you can see our chapter 1 cells structures and functions. First we will see keywords, meaning and explanation. You can see here as keywords, meaning and explanation. Keywords, meanings, explanations are continuously moving in next page also. You can see here. And after this we have your main points. Main points are continuously moving in next page also. Okay, as you can see here, up to here we have main points. After that we have your mind mapping. Guys, you can see here mind mapping. Okay guys, you can see here up to here we have your mind mapping. Up to here we have mind mapping, and after that we have your important your learning. First we will see in textbook first question. After that we will see third question answer in question bank. Guys, you can see here important your learning first question like this we have. Now we will see first question answer in question bank. Guys, you can see here first question like this we have. Up to here we have question answer we have in table. Guys, first question answer is continuously moving in next page also. You can see here guys, up to here we have first question answer. Okay guys, you can see here we have your one playlist, 9th class biology playlist. Please check it out from here. In future I am going to upload in that playlist 9th class biology subject playlist question answers videos adding in this playlist. Please check it out from here in I button. Okay guys, let's move to second question. First we will see second question in textbook. Guys, you can see a second question like this we have. Now we will see second question answer in question bank. Guys, you can see here we have a second question like this, and you can see here up to here we have second question answer. Let's move to the third question. You can see here guys third question. Now we will see third question answer in question bank. Okay guys, you can see here third question like this we have in question bank, and you can see here answer up to here we have. Let's move to the fourth question. Guys, you can see here in textbook fourth question like this we have. Now we will see fourth question answer in question bank. Guys, you can see a fourth question, and fourth question answer you can see here starting from here. You can see here starting from here fourth question answer and ending here. Okay guys, let's move to the fifth question. Guys, you can see your fifth question in textbook. Now we will see fifth question answer in question bank. Okay guys, you can see the fifth question and fifth question answer up to here we have. Okay guys, let's move to the sixth question. Guys, you can see a sixth question like this we have. Now we will see sixth question answer in question bank. Guys, you can see a sixth question like this we have, and you can see here we have your answer up to here we have answer. Okay guys, let's move to the 7th question. Guys, you can see a 7th question like this we have in textbook. Now we will see 7th question answer in question bank. Okay guys, you can see a 7th question and 7th question answer up to here we have. Okay guys, now we will see 7th question in question bank. Guys, you can see a 7th question and you can see up to here we have 7th question answer. Okay guys, you can see how we have your 9th class Hindi subject question answers playlist. Please check it out from here in I button. In future I am going to upload Hindi subject all chapters, question answers, videos and adding in this playlist. Please check it out from here. You can see here we have your one playlist in I button. Okay guys, let's move to the 8th question. Guys, you can see here in textbook 8th question. Now we will see 8th question answer in question bank. Guys, you can see 8th question and you can see here up to here we have 8th question answer. Okay guys, let's move to the 9th question. Guys, you can see a 9th question. Now we will see 9th question answer in question bank. Guys, you can see on 9th question and 9th question answer starting from here, continuously moving in next page also. Guys, you can see here up to here we have 9th question answer. Okay guys, let's move to the 10th question. Guys, you can see here we have your 10th question in textbook like this. Now we will see 10th question answer in question bank. Like this we have 10th question answer. Okay guys, you can see here up to here we have 10th question answer. Okay guys, let's move to the 11th question. Guys, you can see 11th question. Now we will see 11th question answer in question bank. We have your 2 diagrams in 11th question answer. Okay guys, you can see 11th question and you can see starting from here answer. This is the first one picture up to here we have, and after that we have your you can see here up to here we have first one diagram, and after that you can see here up to here we have second one diagram. Okay guys, let's move to the 12th question. Guys, you can see our 12th question like this we have in textbook. Now we will see 12th question answer in question bank. You can see here guys we have here one diagram, and after that we have total 6 points down we have. Okay guys, let's move to the 13th question. Guys, you can see a 13th question in textbook. Now we will see 13th question answer in question bank. Guys, you can see we have here one diagram up to here we have 13th question answer. Okay guys, let's move to the 14th question. Guys, you can see a 14th question like this we have in textbook. Now we will see 14th question answer in question bank. Guys, you can see a 14th question and 14th question like this we have in question diagram, and after that we have answer in table. Okay guys, let's turn the page. Let's move to the 15th question. Okay guys, you can see a 15th question in textbook. Now we will see 15th question answer in question bank. You can see here guys 15th question and 15th question answer up to here we have. And guys, you can see here okay guys, you can see here in I button we have 9th class maths subject playlist. Please check it out from here. In future I'm going to upload maths subject also. I'm already upload maths subject. Please check it out from here in I button we have. And yes, and guys, in maths subject do this, try this, all we have now like that. I am showing that all questions answers and exercises answers. Please check it out from here in I button. Okay guys, let's move to the 16th question. Guys, you can see here in textbook 16th question like this we have. Now we will move to 16th question answer. Guys, you can see here 16th question and 16th question answer up to here we have. Okay guys, let's move to the 17th question. First we'll see 17th question in textbook. Guys, you can see a 17th question in textbook. Now we'll see 17th question answer in question bank. Guys, you can see a 17th question and 17th question answer starting from here ending here. Up to here we have 17th question answer. Okay guys, after this we have your one lab activity also. Now we will see lab activity. First we'll see in textbook how is their lab activity question. Guys, you can see here in textbook like this we have lab activity. Now we will see in question bank how we have lab activity. Guys, you can see here we have your one lab activity, and like this we have your lab activity. This lab activity answer is continuously moving in next page also. Let's turn the page. And guys, you can see here after this we have a procedure like this we have up to here we have. Okay, as you can see here up to here we have lab activity. And guys, you can see here in I button we have your 9th class English subject playlist. Please check it out from here. If you want English subject question answers videos all chapters, please check it out from here. In I button we have your playlist. Okay guys, that's it. Please guys subscribe to my channel and share with your friends this video and hit that like button. And guys, subscribe to my channel, and side you can see we have your red color subscribe button. After that we have side bell icon, press on it. When I will upload videos you will get notifications for that. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Take care and bye bye. We will meet in next video.